quickly and easily removes, for cleaning or replacement. Easy Clean Hinge allows for quick removal of seat for easy cleaning. Easy installation. Top-Tite STA-TITE tightens from the top to make installation easier. No bending. The Top-Tite STA-TITE seat fastening system installs from the top, eliminating the need to get down on hands and knees. Solid plastic. Resilient plastic with molded in color which resists chips, wear and stains. Use. Recommended for residential use. Fits all-round toilets, including Kohler, American Standard, TOTO and many more. Proudly made in the USA, with earth-friendly materials and processes. Top reviews from the United States. Great comfortable seat. Plastic is so much better than the wood, it is so much better to keep clean and sanitized. It won't ever get those nasty cracks that a wooden one does. The new way they have set up the way to put it on the toilet is perfect. No more grimy old bolts, no more crawling or reaching under the toilet to try and get the old bolt off. I can actually remove the seat anytime I want now to completely clean the toilet, no more yuck near or under the bolts. I will never buy the cheaper wooden seats again. For the extra few dollars you are going to get a seat that's going to last much longer, stay new looking and also much easier to sanitize.